Hi, my name is Anna Soldano, and I want to run for the Nazareth Nightingales President. Some of you may be wondering, why should I vote for you? What do you have to offer? When can I sleep next? And who is this weird person sitting on this swivelly chair, not focusing on the video? Well, I could answer at least two of those questions. I personally believe I meet the expectations of being a Nightingales President by being organized. Kind.
Wait!
Here you go.
Who are you?
Your best friend. And friendly.
Here we go!
Enthusiastic. Serious. And helpful.
Oh, hey! I can help you with your math homework.
Oh, I could do this. I could do this. 6. Ooh. Skip. 3. All right, done. You're welcome.
Thanks. You're the best. Okay.
I'm also well versed in other things, such as the guitar, the ukulele, the piano. I'm also in contus. And the marching band. But seriously, I love being in the Nightingales with all of my heart. I cherish and love every person and memory. From singing on the world-renowned stage of Carnegie Hall to singing at Moravian Hall Square when we sing Amazing Grace to the residents. I want to be the Nazareth Nightingales President, to uphold, manage, and maintain the sole purpose of the Nightingales, to sing with our sisters and to sing with our friends, so we could all sing together, because the circle, no, the Nightingales, will never end. Thank you.